Hey guys, are you want to buy best USB-C PD charging cables? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best USB-C PD charging cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Ugreen USB-C Cable. The Ugreen USB-C 2 USB-C cable delivers blazing 19 fast charging, powering your iPhone 15 up to 60% in just 30 minutes. Backward compatible with 65W, 45W, 30W, and 20W chargers. It's perfect for a wide range of USB-C devices from MacBook Pro and iPad Pro to Samsung S24, Google Pixel, and more. A built-in eMarker's smart chip intelligently adjusts current for optimized performance, boosting efficiency by 80% and stability by 90% over standard 60W cables. With durable aluminum housing, a tough nylon braid, and a 250D fiber core, this cable resists over 10,000 bends for long-lasting reliability. It also supports super-fast data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, allowing you to move large files in under a minute. Ideal for fast charging, data syncing, and daily durability all in one powerful cable. Now our second product is Ocetea USB-C Cable. The Ocetea USB-C 2 USB-C cable stands out with its unique LED wattage display, letting you monitor real-time charging speeds, perfect for verifying your adapter's output. With 100W fast charging 20 volts, 5A, and built-in eMark chip, it ensures safe and efficient charging. Plus, data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Built for durability, it features nylon fishwire, fiber yarn reinforcement, and a premium zinc alloy shell, proven to withstand over 35,000 bends. Compatible with nearly all USB-C devices, including iPhone 16 15th series, Galaxy S24, S23 Ultra, Pixel, iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, and more. Available in multiple lengths from 1 foot to 10 feet, it's ideal for home, office, or on-the-go charging. Backed by a 2-year hassle-free warranty and responsive customer support, this cable combines innovation, strength, and wide compatibility for next-level fast charging. Our third product is ConnBull USB-C Cable. The ConnBull USB4 Thunderbolt 4 cable is your all-in-one solution for ultra-fast data charging and video performance. Fully compatible with Thunderbolt 4/3 and USB-C 3.2, 3.1, 3.0, 2.0. It delivers blazing 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, letting you move 20,000 HD photos in under a minute. Perfect for pros, gamers, and content creators. It supports 8K, 5K at 60GA, or dual 4K at 60GA displays. Just ensure your device supports DisplayPort Alt mode. This cable also powers up your gear with 240W PD 3.1 fast charging, ideal for MacBook, iPad, Pro, and laptops. Built with braided nylon, reinforced connectors, and thicker gauge wire, it's made to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining stable performance. Each pack includes 2 by 3.3 feet cables, backed by an 18-month warranty and dedicated support, an essential upgrade for high efficiency, high-performance tech setups. Now number 4. Baseus USB-C Cable. The Baseus 100W USB-C cable is built for serious power and speed. With PD 3.0100W fast charging 5A, 20 volts, it can charge your Samsung S20 from 0 to 100% in just 50 minutes and boost a MacBook Pro 16 to 75% in an hour, 58% faster than standard 60W cables. Its eMarker chip ensures safe, intelligent current regulation so you can charge any USB-C device with confidence. Designed for durability, the premium zinc alloy housing, UV coating, and nylon-braided design resist oxidation and wear, even with heavy use. Compatible with all major fast-charging protocols, this cable powers phones, tablets, laptops, and more, including the latest MacBook and iPad Pro. Note: data transfer only, no video output. Backed by an 18-month warranty and Tiefenjahrzehnte customer support. It's a reliable and high-performance charging solution. And our last choice is SunGuy USB-C Cable. The SunGuy USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C to USB-A cable delivers blazing 10 Gbps data transfer. Perfect for syncing HD movies, files, and photos in seconds. It's backward compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.0, though video output isn't supported. Designed to support Android Auto. This cable also offers 3A fast charging with a built-in 56,000 ohms pull-up resistor for safe power delivery. The nylon-braided exterior, premium aluminum shell, and gold-plated connectors ensure outstanding durability tested to withstand over 20,000 bends. This 1-foot USB-C cable is ideal for short-range connections and works flawlessly with a wide range of devices, including iPhone 16 15 series, Samsung Galaxy S23, S22, Pixel, iPad Pro, MacBook, Dell XPS, and more. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support. This compact and powerful cable is a smart choice for fast, safe, and durable connectivity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.